What's going on, everybody? Celiac here, and I was out in Punta Gorda, Gilcrest Park yesterday, and met a lot of great people. Had I don't know, roughly about 5, I'd say 8 to 10 maybe, ish. But anyway, we had Live Free or Die Cop Watch. His mom, Dr. Sean Berry, Open Government Investigations, GeoXX, Geo. There was quite a few people out there. But anyway, we were talking, and Live Free or Die's Cop Watch's mom told me about an ordinance in Punta Gorda. And let's just hop right into this. So, this ordinance reads as such. Section 15-37, carrying concealed weapons, penalty, officer to arrest without warrant and upon probable cause. Whoever in the city of Punta Gorda, Florida, shall carry a concealed weapon or electric weapon or device on or about his person shall be guilty of a misdemeanor of the first degree, punishable as provided in Florida Statute Section 775.082 or 775.083. The carrying of a concealed weapon is hereby declared a breach of the peace, and any officer authorized to make such an arrest under the laws of the state of Florida may make arrests within the city without warrant of person violating the provision of the section when officer has reasonable grounds or probable cause to believe that the offense of carrying a concealed weapon is being committed. Now, there is a little caveat. The ordinance number is they reference when this was written or when they kind of took this on. The ordinance number is 659-82, section 2, 2 through 3 through 82. Well, the thing about this is this ordinance was written in 1982. It's still on the books as an ordinance in Punta Gorda, but it was written in 1982. In 1987, Florida created the Preemption law. And basically what the Preemption law is saying, the state of Florida is the only person that can create legislation or any gun laws in the state of Florida. So that being said, no city, county, town, municipality, anybody, the only people that can create gun laws is the state of Florida. And this is going back to 1987. That's when we adopted the Preemption law. This ordinance was written in 1982. I still think it needs to be taken off the books, or at least scrubbed off the books. But from what I understand, this law doesn't mean anything. And we're going to hop into Preemption real quick. Now, 790.33, Field of Regulation of Firearms and Ammunition Preempted. Number 1, Preemption, except as expressly provided by the state constitution or general law, the legislator hereby declares that it is occupying the whole field of regulation of firearms and ammunition, including the purchase, sale, transfer, taxation, manufacture, ownership, possession, storage, and transportation thereof, to the exclusion of all existing and future county, city, town, or municipality ordinances or any administrative regulations or rules adopted by local or state government regulating thereto, as any such existing ordinances, rules, or regulation are hereby declared null and void. That's the Preemption. That goes back to the Punta Gorda Ordinance. It was written in 1982, so as this was written in 1987, that ordinance is null and void. They can't do anything about it. But we are going to test it. There will be a test, and I might as well just wear a shirt that says I am concealed carrying, and we'll see what happens. We'll see if they want to enforce this ordinance. I don't think they do. I would hope their council would get on this and scrub this off their record if it hasn't already been scrubbed off their record. It's just that when I type in Punta Gorda ordinances, I can find this ordinance, and it's still on the books. And I guarantee, if there's an officer that doesn't understand preemption, he very well may try to enforce this law. But I'm not going to keep this going too much longer. I just wanted you to be aware, in Punta Gorda, they do have an ordinance. I don't believe they can enforce it, and if they do, please reach out to me. If you happen to wear a shirt or have a sign that says I'm concealed carrying, and they kind of mess with you because you have a sign that says you concealed carrying, please email me at thearmedfisherman@gmail.com and send me your video, and I would love to feature it. But don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. And I'm going to get editing on the Punta Gorda Gilchrist Park open carry gathering that we did. So I'm out of here. Soliaker, deuces.